Hey guys, Mike from B Tech Reviews, and today we do a different unboxing. We're unboxing a few pairs of Air Jordans. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I thought I might do something a little bit different, and let me know if you guys like, this or what I'm doing here, etc. like that. Let me see if I can move the tripod just a little bit there. There we go. Do apologize. So anyways, guys, I have a buddy that, recently kind of got me into, wanting to collect Jordans. I've never really I've never worn or owned a pair of Jordans, guys. But, this past weekend we went to a Nike clearance store and I was actually able to snag a pair of Jordan Air 1s. So if you guys don't know what Jordan Air 1s, these are it. They do have these in a low. So this is the Jordan Air 1 low, and then they have like mids where they have like the little ankle part go a little bit higher, and I think they have like a higher version also. But anyways, you've probably seen these. There's a million of these out there, and color schemes can range from like white, black to gray, red, etc. There's so many different color schemes on the Jordan Air 1s or whatever you want to call it, and again, I went with the red black. I found these, on sale at one of the Nike clearance stores that we have near me, and I've actually been wearing them for a couple of days. So this is actually my first pair. I'm gonna put those down, but what I already got the box dirty. But anyways, let's go ahead and get the unboxing of this of these two shoes that I am gonna unbox two pairs of shoes here for you guys. So anyways, guys, we have Jordan Max Ore 5s, right? So these are more like basketball type shoes. I already opened them. So this is kind of already open, but I wanted to open this up to show you guys and give you guys the unboxing experience of what you're going to get. So again, these are Max Aura 5s. And I really liked them. I went with the red and black color scheme. These actually do come in different color schemes. I believe there's like 4 or 5 different color schemes that you can get. And for the most part, again, they're very comfortable. I've already tried this one on specifically. I need to figure out the shoelaces though, but for the most part, guys, check out the shoe. Look at the color schemes. You can kind of see why, I guess Jordan apparel is so very, 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 I was gonna say reliable, but it's just a lot of people want these type of shoes, and because Jordan, the Jordan shoes are very, very good looking shoes. I haven't worn a high top shoe in a very long time, but these are actually extremely comfortable. Let's go ahead and bust out the other shoe here, and let me go ahead and put the box away here, and then we'll get to the other box very shortly here. So again, do apologize about that, but for the most part, again, these are very light shoes. They actually look heavy, but just lifting them up here for you guys, they're very light. I paid under 100 for these. Actually, right now, they had a promotion going on the Nike app where you can purchase these shoes, and you get like an extra 25% off. So again, they were already on sale, and then I ended up getting an extra 25% off. So I think I only paid like 65, 70 bucks for these. Again, don't quote me on that. You might have to check the Nike app or the Nike website yourself. The cool thing about this is you can get them like at Foot Locker or stores like Champs, right? Anywhere that basically sells Jordan apparel. There are stores that, will, buy a bunch of these type of shoes, and then they'll mark them up and they'll sell them like at a high price, because, eventually shoes like this get discontinued, right? Or they stop selling them for a little bit. So, when that happens, they do shoot up in value just like everything else, right? Of course, again, I just wanted to share this with you guys. This is the red and black scheme. And I'm going to go ahead and put these aside over here, guys. Let's go ahead and bust out the other shoes here that I have for you guys. So again, these are, again, different boxes, right? I do like the other box. I do like just the plain box with the, the Air Jordan logo up here. But these are Jordan Air 1 retro lows. Again, I prefer low shoes, right? It says 10.5. I don't know why it says 12 down here, I guess. Maybe 12 for the females. But anyways, I've already tried them on. I know they fit. So let's go ahead and check these ones out, guys, for you. Again, give you that unboxing experience here. Again, these ones were they were on sale also. They were very inexpensive on the website and on the app. So again, check out the app. If you guys are looking for good deals, like, don't skip on the Nike app. If you guys want to try these on, or if you guys want to get like a better feel of like how the shoe fits, read the reviews, right? My friend says read the reviews because they basically will tell you, okay, if the shoe is true to size, or if the shoe runs a size small. So I'm normally a 10, so I actually got these and this other pair at 10.5 because both of these shoes, from the reviews, I read that they run a size small. So that's definitely something that I looked at, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna get these shoes. They run a size small. I'm gonna get again, I'm normally a size 10, and you know, I wanted to go with that, so I went with a 10.5, and I tried them on. They fit very good. They fit just fine. So again, guys, you know, you're gonna get that Air Jordan logo up here. You know, again, this one is a different color scheme. You know, it's not, it might not be for everybody, right? But you know, I do like the green and the red in the back, right? You guys can kind of see the similarities here with you know, this version, the Maxora, and then this shoe. Again, this is more of just like a casual shoe. For me, when I first opened it, I was like, man, this kind of looks like a skater shoe, like or like a bowling shoe, right? But it's extremely comfortable. You know, there's not most Air Jordans that I've seen, they're very flat on the inside. So you know, luckily I'm flat footed, so you know the arch doesn't bug me that much. There's no arch, so they really don't bother me that much. These ones I might actually wear to work. I'm not sure about these ones, although again, these shoes are super light, so I might wear these ones to work. I will see. I need to figure out the pant situation or the outfit situation and see how that's gonna go. But guys, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like videos like this? You know, actually, this is the second take on this video, and I screwed up on the first one. So, but anyways, you know, just a quick video to show you guys again, guys. And if you guys think, okay, Jordans are, you know, people, I guess, have the impression or whatever that Jordans are expensive. Some pairs, you know, are expensive. Some pairs can range up to the $200 mark, right? Or even more expensive. Obviously, if the shoe is you know, out of touch or whatever, then you know you're gonna spend maybe upwards of, you know, $2,000 to $1,000 depending on the shoe, right? But you know, again, I thought these were very good looking shoes. They have this shoe in like I said, a different color scheme. They have white and black. They have like black and orange. Like this little area is orange, right? Check out the website though, right? You know, again, don't just, you know, look at what I'm saying. You know, again, this little area is super comfortable, right? I really like that. And now I feel like I'm a part of the Jordan clique, guys. You know, just, you know, showing you guys everything that I've gotten so far. This is just like the last week, and I'm already gonna have to clear out my closet for the shoes that I don't want anymore, just for stuff like this. So again, guys, if you guys like this video, you know, smash the like button. If you guys have a pair of Jordans or any type of Jordans, comment down below. Let me know what you guys have. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, where I'm just, you know, maybe start collecting little things here and there, you know, other than tech, right? Let me know what you guys think on that. And again, I appreciate you guys watching the video. If you guys like the video, again, smash the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time, okay?